Do you know why car can be cars, but man can't be mans, or child can't be childs? If you don't know the answer to this question, or if you have any doubts about the answer, then you are at the right place. Welcome to Arpedia. We are going to discuss countable nouns and their types. In fact, we are going to discuss the two types of countable nouns, singular and plural. We'll also discuss the types of plural in brief, in short. So first of all, let's look at the regular way of changing from singular to plural. And the examples are here. The first sentence is one bird flies, and this we change it into plural, and that becomes two birds fly. Our focus here is on the noun, that is bird. So we make it into plural, we change it to plural by adding S. Similarly with student, one student plays, three students play. I have deliberately chosen three, it can be 4, 5, 6, whatever you want to add. But the focus is here on the plural, on the process of changing from singular to plural with the addition of S. So this is the most common way of changing from singular to plural. Very common, the most common. I have given you a list of some of the common nouns which change from singular to plural, but the list is very long. The majority of the nouns change from singular to plural with the addition of S or ES. You have the list apple, elephant, snake, soldier, just as examples. But the question is, are the plurals always with S? Let's look at the examples. One student plays, 5 students play. That means student becomes students with the addition of S, of course. But the second one man comes, 4 men come. So here that rule doesn't apply, that regular rule, the common rule. One tooth shines, 2 teeth shine. So tooth becomes teeth. Here also that rule doesn't apply. 1 apple falls, 3 apples fall. So I've got 2 such nouns which change with the help of S to plural. They are student and apple, while other 2, man and tooth, they change and they follow other rules. So what are they called? Plurals with S are called regular plurals, and those without S are called irregular plurals. So there's no need to study regular plurals because we know they change. The process is one only. With the addition of S from singular to plural, they change, or ES. We'll look at the irregular plurals and some of the common ways of changing from singular to irregular plurals, I would say. One of them is this. Take the examples, have a look at the examples. A life begins, that becomes lives begin. FE are replaced with VES. A calf is born, that becomes calves are born. So LF become LVES. So this is a different rule. This is not, here we are not doing it with S. This is how we change to irregular plural, and this is one way. So many singular nouns, what is the rule? Many singular nouns ending with FE or LF change to VES. In fact, in LF, it changes to LVES. And a list has been given here: calf, leaf, life, wife, thief, knife, shelf, loaf, half, etc. Now let's look at the second process, second way. What is the second way of changing to irregular plurals, changing from singular to plural, by which you don't follow the rule of adding s? Here you can see a man runs, men run, woman, women, tooth, teeth, foot, feet, mouse, mice, goose, geese. So what is the pattern? Pattern is in man, changes to e. In woman, again, changes to e here. Tooth, double O, they change to double E. Then again with foot, double E. In mouse, there is a change. M-O-U-S-E becomes mice. So this is slightly different. In goose, again, the same. So there's a change in the vowel when there's a change from singular to plural. So singular nouns here are changed to plural with the change of vowels. This is the second rule that we've discussed. Now the third one, I've got only two examples of nouns. Child, a child sings, children sing. An ox runs, oxen run. Very uncommon. The nouns are very common. Generally, you must have observed people saying child's or children's. So here, in this case, in the case of child, R-E-N are added to make plural. In the case of oxen, just en are added. So this is the third rule. What is the other rule? The fourth rule is in which you can see a sheep runs and the plural is sheep run. So sheep remains the same. It remains unchanged. So this is again a new rule. Again, deer also remains the same. So these are the two nouns where you can see that they don't change. There are a couple of others, but I have taken only the common ones. So we have discussed 4 ways of changing from singular to plural, and particularly irregular plurals. And now, yes, we've discussed in this. I think in my previous videos, I have already discussed nouns and the types of nouns. And in this, we have discussed the types of countable nouns. In fact, in types of nouns, I have discussed countable and proper. And here we have discussed the types of countable nouns, that is, they are singular and plural. And also we discussed the types of plural nouns, in fact, irregular plurals. So my next video would be on articles a and the. And before we come to this, we must be prepared by looking at the types of nouns. So thank you so much, and goodbye.